Welcome to part 58 of Daily English. Today's situation. Travel and transportation. Renting a car. I'd like to rent a car. Example. I'd like to rent a car for 3 days. How much is it per day? Example. How much is it per day with insurance? I'd like an automatic car. Example. I'd like an automatic car, please. Do I need insurance? Example. Do I need insurance for the rental car? Can I see the rental agreement? Example. Can I see the rental agreement before I sign? Can I return it tomorrow? Example. Can I return it tomorrow afternoon? Is the fuel tank full? Example. Is the fuel tank full when I pick up the car? Where should I return the car? Example. Where should I return the car after my trip? Thank you for your service. Example. Thank you for your service. Have a nice day. Mini conversation. Customer, I'd like to rent a car for 3 days. Agent, certainly. Would you like an automatic car? Customer, yes, please. How much is it per day? Agent, it's $50 per day with insurance included. Customer, great. I'll take it. Thank you. Daily tip. Before renting a car, always ask about the daily price, insurance, fuel policy, and return location. These questions can help you avoid unexpected charges. Speaking challenge. Imagine you're renting a car for your vacation. Ask about the daily price, insurance, fuel policy, and return location, then complete the conversation using at least 5 sentences. Subscribe for part 59. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.